Alright class, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to apply our style sheet. Alright, and so last video I had you create a style tag and actually put it into your index.html page. Alright, up here in the head tag. And so I want to delete this, but first let's go back and take a look and see what it looks like. Here's our table. You can tell it's got a border around it. Let's go ahead and get rid of that border so you can see the difference here. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to actually copy this right here because I'm just going to apply this into my style sheet. I'm going to delete this and then I'm going to reapply it. Let's see what happens. Here's my table right here, and we got rid of the table border. So what we need to do is we need to go back and we need to apply this in our style sheet. Okay, so let me go ahead and just paste this. Here's our table, comma, our table heading, our table data. Here's our border with a 1-point solid black line. Okay, so I'm going to go back to index, and what I want to do is I want to create a tag up here that references my index.html to my stylesheet.html. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use one tag, and then we're going to use it's going to start off with link. All right, and we're going to link rel attribute, okay, and that rel stands for relation, okay, and so the link rel attribute basically just specifies the relationship between this index.html and the link document, which is our stylesheet.css. All right, so I'm going to go link rel, and I'm going to say equals, and I'm just going to say it's a style sheet, right? Alright, and then the next thing we want to do is we want to use href attribute, okay? And what this does is just it specifies the location of where it's actually located, okay? And so for us, since we know it's over here, stylesheet.css, for you it might be you're going to have to do like C drive or H drive or wherever it's located, and you just choose C drive, semicolon, // and then you'd have to tell me where it's located. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say this. I'm going to go quotation marks stylesheet.css, and then I'm going to close that. All right. And let's see if this works. And there it is right there. It linked it right where it needed to be. All right. So I'm going to come back over here. So just remember to kind of reiterate what we talked about. Our link rel, which just stands for relation, okay, it basically just, this is what tells us the relationship between our index.html and our stylesheet.css, all right, and this is our style sheet, all right, and then what we're doing right here is we are taking the href attribute, okay, and we are linking this to the location of stylesheet.css. We're telling it where it's at. Again, you may have to go C drive, semicolon, // and then it might be in your documents or your downloads. I don't know where you saved it, but I can help you out in that regard. So this is what I want you to do for this first assignment, is to set up your style sheet, make sure that they're linked together, and give your table an actual border. Let me know if I can help you out in any way.